2,
1.
1. We've got above normal temperatures in the forecast, along with the rain chances. I'll have more details tonight at 10.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another J&J's vlog. Today we're going to show you how to make a roasted weenie. I'm kidding. No, but today we are actually going to show you guys how to make 3 Christmas-themed drinks. No. 3 Christmas... Say it.
3 Christmas-themed drinks.
Say it again.
Oh, it's Christmas time, pretty baby, and the snow is falling on the ground.
Alright, guys. So our first drink is going to be called the Mistletoe. We'll make it, then we'll taste it, and we'll let you know, guys. We'll let you guys know how it actually tastes like. So.
Okay, so first off, it's going to be 1.5 ounces of silver tequila, your choice, your favorite. 2 ounces of cranberry Sprite, and 1 ounce of cranberry juice.
All
and
right.
we'll get to the garnishes later.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, first things first. Well, you want a lime, half a lime, because you need to rub this bad boy all up on that rim.
You guys know how it goes.
And then you're going to dip it in sugar. So it's going to be a sweet one. And look how beautiful. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, yeah. You're going to take your shaker. We just
have that.
This is obviously
It's
not
my protein
an
shake
alcoholic
shaker.
I was a bartender. You don't really, but it works. It doesn't matter. You shake it up. Okay, so ounce
we
and
gotta-
a half. We're going to double it, so it'll be 3 ounces.
Looks like a lot of tequila if you from far away.
Okay. 3 ounces. 1.5 ounces for 1. 3 ounces. 1.5 ounces for 1. 3 ounces. We're making 2. That's why there's so much. We're not alcohol.
We are actually.
We're not.
That's why you guys love us.
Okay, so now you're gonna take your
Don't do
cranberry Sprite,
Or it could be just
which
regular Sprite.
apparently is a seasonal thing.
1 ounce. 2 ounces.
But I mean, it's okay. So
Ooh,
if it's
smells
not
good.
Christmas and you feel like making this, and there's no seasonable, cranberry Sprite, just make it with regular Sprite.
I think regular Sprite should actually work.
Wait, how many ounces?
It's 2 ounces.
I know
4 ounces actually, you're right.
exactly. It's 2 ounces for 1, 4 ounces for 2. Okay, go.
Alright.
I really hope this is good. We have no.
It might
We
be,
honestly
actually.
don't know. It might be terrible.
Might be, it might not. We'll see.
Just kind of inventing stuff. Like our friend Brian.
He's actually really good at making drinks.
Really good at making drinks.
We tried, what was it his?
I was a bartender with him, and he invented all of these Christmas drinks.
That was last year, and they were freaking delicious. We
Yeah,
tried some
he
of them.
always invented
They
his
were
own
all
Christmas
just-
drinks for the bar, and yeah, he did a good job. So,
Insanely
Brian,
good.
you're awesome.
Okay.
See, look how beautiful this is. Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Woo! Smells good.
That's nice. Our ice maker's broken, so yeah, it's fine.
You have to get like,
It's okay, it works.
yeah. Alright. You want to really honest and shake it?
You're gonna shake it exactly 8 times over each shoulder while
2,
smiling.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Go. So the garnish, it makes it beautiful. You take your little sugar that you sugared your rim with, and you get a few cranberries wet, and you rub them in there like this. And look, and you have 1, 2, 3 sugared cranberries for each drink. I mean, if you really like them, you can do as many as you want. It doesn't really matter. But they gotta be sugared. And then it's a mistletoe. Alright, so let's try it.
The mistletoe.
And we'll see if it's good. No, show them the mistletoe.
Alright guys, so this is the mistletoe right here. It actually looks pretty delicious, but we're gonna go ahead and try to see if it actually tastes good. And that's something that you can do right there too. Alright, let's try it.
Here we go.
Oh wow. Not bad.
I like salt though. When it comes to like tequila or like a margarita,
It's actually not bad. It's very
I
refreshing.
like salt. It is pretty.
It is
it's
really
very
refreshing. It's really refreshing. We'll probably chug this whole thing right now. And
It's really pretty good. I think we did good.
yeah, good job.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go ahead and do the next one.
This is the Fireside. I
Fireside.
made it up. Why? Because, well, you drink hot chocolate by a fire, and you got Fireball in it. It's pretty good, right? I just made this up
It's actually
while we
pretty
were
good.
driving. Like, I thought I was really smart. But anyway, okay.
All right.
So, you're going to do 1.5 ounces of Bailey's. We get a big old bottle here. You don't need that much. 1 ounce of Fireball. And the rest of it's going to be hot chocolate. So we haven't made this yet.
Again,
like
this is something
you
that we're inventing
are
right now.
learning it with us. So we're going to, I think we're going to start by making the hot chocolate. So we just have Swiss Miss. We're just going to read these instructions and make it, and then add the other stuff. So here we go. We're emptying. We're emptying delicious cocoa into the mug, which says, "I love my dog." Okay. Taking that chocolate air.
Take a whiff.
Okay. Now you're gonna add 8 ounces of water. Your hot chocolate. It's not hot yet. It's more like cold water chocolate.
Cold water chocolate.
Look at those cute little mellows. Ooh, like marshmallows. All right. So now you're gonna take this, and you're going to read this.
It's like a minute.
Oh, it actually said.
You're supposed to heat up the water first.
We messed up. It said add. Can we start over?
No, keep going. This is comical. Let's go.
It said add 8 ounces of hot water.
Hot water, yeah.
Well,
Just heat it up. We could just
we
probably
just
heat it up.
put some tap water in there, so we're gonna go heat it up now.
Yeah.
We put this in there for 2 minutes. 19 seconds left, and that bad boy almost overflowed. So you gotta watch it. Okay, these are home bartending skills. These aren't the true on the job, you know. But it doesn't matter. It tastes the same. It's good.
It gets you drunk.
Yeah, it tastes the same, and you know, it's the same result. So, you know, I don't understand the big deal on the shake it 8 times and smile. But I was a bartender, I did all that. It was dumb. So you made your hot chocolate, you heated it up, you followed these rules and added hot water.
Hot water, not
But
cold
it's
water.
okay. If you forget, you put it in there for 2 minutes, leave 19 seconds left about before it boils over. Then you take it out and you pour out a dash, and here we are. We're at the same result, different methods. No big deal.
Sounds good.
Now,
Time for the Baileys.
okay,
1
1.5 ounces.
Okay.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. So 1.5 ounces of Bailey's, 1 ounce of this bad boy Fireball.
Get the mixer.
AKA the spoon. If you want to get really fancy and make this look really good, just let me tell you, beforehand, you could have drizzled some chocolate along the mug, you know, and then afterwards, you put the whipped cream. We don't have any whipped cream. We didn't buy any, okay? We failed. But just picture it. You put the whipped cream on top. You've already got the chocolate drizzled underneath that hot chocolate. And then on top, you drizzle that hot chocolate again. Make a pretty design. Maybe a few marshmallows and whoo! But we don't have that. So this is what we have. It's essentially going to taste the same without the beauty. Okay? Who needs the beauty? You gotta drink it. So this is what we have. I don't know if it's good. It's really hot right now. So you're going to have to wait.
About 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, guys. Oh, it smells like grandma's hot chocolate.
But imagine it has that whipped cream rolled off in that chocolate and those marshmallows.
Just imagine that, guys. Easy to make Christmas themed drinks.
This is called the Fireside, and I literally invented it in my brain.
And her brain.
I'm her brain. I we were brain. No, but I did actually.
All right, you want to taste it?
Ooh, maybe it was invented by someone else, but not to my knowledge.
Tasty will take credit for it right now.
But I mean, honestly, these are pretty basic things that I feel like go well together, so I'm sure I'm not the only one who's thought of this, you know?
Yeah, try it. Try it. Tell me, does it taste bueno?
Oh man, I need to be one of those hot alcoholic beverage makers outside of those light festivals. It's really good.
The Garden Glow, guys.
The
Recommend
Garden
it.
Glow.
You guys have to
I've
go.
been there. It's amazing. And also the St. Louis Zoo, obviously, has a really good Christmas lights.
If you guys want to sit in a fireplace, watch the Christmas movie, and just drink some hot chocolate and get wasted, this is the way to go, guys.
I know.
This thing is delicious. All right, guys. So the drink that I'm gonna go ahead and make, I'm calling it Rudolph. So for this one, are you serious?
Okay, go ahead.
It's not a competition, babe.
Love mine is the best. Like mine, the Fireside. You guys should make these drinks and vote because mine's that
Yes,
good.
actually, go ahead and do that.
Yes, make these drinks and vote on which one's the best one. The Mistletoe was a joint combination.
Yeah, that was just.
And
one that
then
we
the
together.
Fireside
That
was
was hers.
mine.
And the one I'm about to show you guys is called Rudolph. So it is a strawberry jello pack, 2 little rum shots, which is they're about an ounce each, 1 fireball, some nutmeg, cinnamon, and eggnog. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to make this real quick. Vote to see which one's gonna be better, guys. You guys try them, test them out, and vote to see which one's gonna be better. Everybody always saves the best for last.
Bull.
That's exactly what we just did today. Saving the best for last. All
When
right,
did this
so-
become a competition?
I don't know. It just somehow it just turns into a competition. So the
If
first
mine's
thing,
so good.
the first thing you gotta do is just go ahead and drop the rum chata in there. So again, this is about an ounce or so. Let's drop it in there. All right. This is a very simple drink to make, but it's freaking delicious. And again, if you guys are just trying to get wasted during the holidays, this is the best way to go. There it goes. There.
Mine was fire.
All right.
Hence
Speaking
the
of fire.
Fireside.
Fireball.
No. Yes, but yours is not called the Fireside.
Oh,
This is
fireball.
the Rudolph.
It's like you're making a potion of Christmas right here. Christmas potion. So you go ahead and put in the ounce of Fireball. Gives it a little kick. All you gotta do is just go ahead and fill it up to however much eggnog you want. That's about as much as I'm doing. And all you gotta do is get one of the Jello packs.
That's so gross.
This is the
I
simplest
hate Jello.
drink that you guys can ever make.
And I hate eggnog. Not as simple as mine.
And it's gonna be by far the best thing. This is gonna be the best thing you guys ever tried.
Ew!
Put some Jello. in
Ew!
there.
That's disgusting.
Alright.
I hate you. Who knows?
So again, this is called Rudolph because of the red Jello. It's just strawberry. But it's delicious. Do some cinnamon. A little bit of cinnamon. And a little bit of nutmeg. Just like a hint, a dash of nutmeg. That was a little too much actually. We just do a little bit. Mix it in. And you have yourself your Rudolph drink. Oh, this is really good. Alright, baby, go ahead and try it.
No.
You have to try it. Okay, JC doesn't like eggnog, so this is the first time, or Jello, but this is gonna be delicious.
I got a piece of Jello. It tastes like cereal. Oh, pretty good stuff.
Some pretty good drinks.
Yeah. I have to say, yours is pretty good. Like, it's good.
For somebody that doesn't like eggnog, that's a compliment right there.
I don't like eggnog, but like,
Or Jello.
or Jello, honestly.
But for someone that doesn't like that and to compliment this drink, you guys know I want
It's
it
very
already.
flavorful.
You guys already know I want it.
I would describe it as Christmas in a glass. It's a little too thick for me.
It's
So
Rudolph,
I don't
baby.
think I could drink a lot of it.
Well, yeah.
Part of that's because I
You
know
guys
it's
won't-
eggnog.
True.
But it's very thick. But I mean, it tastes like Christmas. I mean, it's really good. The flavor. I mean,
It's
it
a
tastes
very,
like
very
Christmas.
good flavor, yeah.
It tastes like Christmas.
Quick little thing for you guys. If you guys are going to go ahead and try these drinks, make sure to vote to see which one of these two are the best.
No, I mean all three. I mean,
All three
we
were
want to
good.
know what's the best. So.
Yeah, true. But just make sure that you guys do these two.
No.
Forget the mistletoe.
No,
The mistletoe was something
really
that we
good.
did. It's good.
We
very
did it
refreshing.
together. I mean,
That
we
was
kind of
us.
came up with it together.
So don't judge
These
that
were
one.
kind of
because-
on our own, but it doesn't matter because I want to know anyways.
Yeah, alright, fine.
Eyeball.
Let's make it fair.
Yeah, we want to know.
Alright, let's
how
make it
well-
fair. Out of all the three drinks, go ahead and
Which
comment
one
down
is the
below and let
best?
us know which one is the best. Is that fair?
Make sure you put your votes in for our drinks. There's 3 of them. Again, we have the Mistletoe, the Fireside, and the Rudolph. So pick which one's the best.
And let us know.
And of course, drink responsibly and have a great holiday.
Happy holidays, guys. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's to all of you. Thank you guys for watching J&J's vlog. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Oh, it's Christmas time, pretty baby, and the snow